channel. If this is your first time, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you'll be part of this journey, thank you as well for your support. My name is Fumi Oyelaki. This video is still all about perfume. In my last video, I dropped something on how you can make perfume from the comfort of your home. So if you've not watched it, I'll put the link in the description box. Go and check it out. So maybe you are looking for a side hustle, or you are looking for extra income, or what you can do to support yourself to earn more money. Well, this might be useful for you. Now, there are so many ways you can be involved in perfume business. Yeah, perfume business, smelling nice is also a good business. I never thought of it before until now that I started digging into some certain things, researching, reading, watching some videos on it, and I found out that it could be of help to my friends as well on YouTube. So there are so many ways you can be involved in perfume business. When I mean perfume business, I mean real perfume business. That is this business of smelling nice. Yeah, when you pass people or you find yourself in a gathering, you just enter and everybody turn their eyes, that is towards your direction, because of the smell that is coming out from you. I mean good smell. I'm not talking about body odor. I mean good smell. So this kind of business can help you to personalize the way you smell, can help you to design like you have a design, something like a signature fragrance as a perfume for your business. So one of the ways you can be involved in perfume business without breaking bank, without any much problem, is by producing your own perfume signature. Yeah, like I said, the link is in the description box. You can check it out, how you can make perfume from the comfort of your home. Actually, production involves researching, experimenting with different fragrances before you can come up with a particular perfume, that is fragrance of your choice. So it's one of the ways you can be involved in perfume business, that is production of perfume from the comfort of your home. It's very simple. The only thing is you learn the basic, and after the basic you start experimenting with fragrances there and there, and you can come up with a signature perfume. Then another way you can be involved in the perfume business is by refilling. Yes, perfume refill business. You heard me well. What does this perfume refill business mean? It means that you buy in large jars, that is in large bottles, maybe like 1 liter, like 2 liters, 5 liters, from the producers, from the manufacturers. Then you bring it home and refill it into smaller bottles. Yes, you heard me well. Have you thought of it before? Well, if you've not thought of it and you love perfume, you want to be involved in it, you can start doing it. This one is better rather than importing. You can see that especially in Nigeria, most of the perfume we have is imported perfume. There are people import it with their labels and start selling. To find perfume production, homemade production is very difficult. I've only seen 2 now. Yeah, based on my research, I've seen 2 now that are into it, but there are still so many markets for it. So like I said, perfume refill business, you can buy in large jars, buy in like 1 liter, 2 liters, then bring it and then refill in a smaller bottles. You rebrand it, like in putting your label, putting everything, and then boom, you start selling your perfume. Yeah, there are so many things you can do with it. Like I said, you buy it, you label it, you brand it, that is brand it on your own and start selling. Then another way you can be involved in perfume business is by creating fragrances, like your own formula, like a recipe. Like, okay, if you are making this particular perfume, you combine different fragrances together to come up with a specific or with a particular perfume. Yeah, like I said, one thing I love about perfume production is because you smell different because you are the one making it. It's not something you can come around in the market like, oh, I know this perfume, especially when you are not making it for mass production. So one of the way you can be involved in this business is combining fragrances together and coming up with a recipe, yeah, which means, oh, this fragrance plus this fragrance plus this. You must have done a lot of experiment. When you combine those fragrances together, you form one recipe for a perfume, and you can be selling that. You can sell that online, like selling recipe. You are not involved in the production, you are not involved in refilling, but you are just coming up with a specific formula, specific formulation for a specific perfume, which you can even sell to those who are producing. Yes, people who wants to go into production but they don't actually have time to sit down and be adding drops of fragrances together to make that perfume. So once these ones are ready made, they can actually buy that recipe, download it, and then use it as production formula. Another way you can be involved in a perfume business is you can, as a distributor, yes, like you buy from company, then you resell, like, you know, buying wholesales and selling retail, or you buy as a distributor and resell as wholesales to those who will be selling in a small quantity, that is the retailer. Then another one, this one is very scarce. You can only see it in all these developed country. I've never seen it in my country, and if you've seen it in Nigeria, please let me know in the comment section. This type of perfume business, I know if someone can research more and go into it, it's going to fetch money because everybody wants to smell unique. You know, in the situation whereby you just walk into a store, yes, I mean a store, could be as simple as a very small store, and you are able to, you know, test 2 fragrances or 3-4 fragrances together and tell the person that this is what you want. That is perfume bar, or scent bar. That is having a perfume, a fragrance bar. In such a bar, the clients can go in and, you know, they make your own perfume while you are there. What is involved is that you smell 2-3 fragrances and you say, okay, this is what I want, this is what I want. It's not based on their recipe, even though they have their special recipe down. But when you go there, you can actually say, this is what I want, this is what I want, I love the smell of it, and they can actually combine it together. I'm looking forward to see where I can walk into a store in Lagos and actually make my own fragrance while there. Yeah, so that is another one. That is perfume bar or scent bar. I've seen it in Dubai before. Yes, it's still there. You walk in there, they make they mix it while you are there. In your presence, your perfume is mixed together. You know, it smells so unique. That is one advantage of it. It smells so unique, and I know if you have the capacity for it, or you have interest, you have passion for making such, you see, that will set you, you know, apart. That will make your own business unique when you are going into such business. Remember, I've given you 5 examples now, 5 ways you can go into perfume making. The first one, I say perfume production. The second one is perfume refill business. The third one, you are creating your own recipe for people to buy. The fourth one, you serve as a distributor. And the last one, you are that is involved in a perfume bar. Just like, you know, if you go to hotel, you go to their wine bar and, you know, just request for this and they give it to you. It's just like that. Those fragrances, you cannot get it in the common market. That is when you have perfume bar as a business. Let me know in the comment section which of these perfume businesses you would like to try, or let me know the one you've tried and how far have you gone about it. Until I see you in my next video, let's keep blending, keep smelling nice. Until then, bye.